Everything's sharp, got to be careful, but I got to make enough room so that I can put this back in the bottom here. So then we'll glue it all, push it into place, but just got to take this styrofoam out. Little strip there, 3/4 inches wide. Yeah, just about in there, so get a little creative and put a board. Got glue on there, so I want to just suck that bottom piece in good and tight. I've got another strap and it's better. Yeah, let's see. See what we can do. I'll be able to suck that right in there. Just kind of bowed in the middle. I don't know if styrofoam maybe was holding it out a little bit, but we're gonna it's pretty tight already. Well, let's just get it. Well, for those of you that have been following me for a while, you know I use straps for quite a few things. Just that actually looks pretty good. Pretty centered, so just let that glue dry in there. For those of you that have been following me along, I'll give you a quick update. You see I'm not wearing a band-aid. I'll give you a little closer look, but for those of you that if it bothers, I'm just going to show you a quick little bit what the end of my finger looks like. You don't have to look. I'm going to tell you when I'm showing it, and I'm going to tell you when I'm done showing it if you really want to look and see what's left of the last finger that's healing there after my little boo-boo in July. Oh, I don't know what the camera will show, but on the count of 3, I'm going to put my finger up there, and not my middle one, but just to give a little update. Those of you who have been asking. 1, 2, 3. So that's what's left of the finger. Has got really kind of a nasty groove in it, and waiting for bone to heal yet, but so far the finger's still there. Okay, the finger's not on the camera anymore, so if it bothers you, you can look. It's all good. It's not like it's bleeding or anything like that, but it's been wrapped for a long time because I bump it on anything. It's very, very sensitive. It's all new skin. It's all, and so even put my hands in my pocket, grab my keys or something, you know, you bump it. But I hope you'll see this is going to all turn out okay. So far it looks good. Once that's all dry in there, I'm going to just take a little sandpaper there and just sandpaper the to glue off the bottom. This is, you see me cutting with a grinder because it's a metal coating on the outside of the door, just styrofoam filled. So I'm just cut that bottom off, and I'm going to save that groove once I'm done gluing it. I got to cut a couple little notches. Will be in kind of perfect putting this all back together and stuff is the fact that these strips here, they go in. You see the sliders here, and they go in them notches, and they just push in, and then they're there, and then this part is the guide for the bottom. I don't know if you can see anything. You're probably looking towards the sun, but yeah, oh, you are. But yeah, so with the notches, it's just these notches will slide up in that groove in that piece that I put back in the bottom of the door, and the rest is going to keep the cold out. Well, it's shorter. This all back together. This all back on. 3 1/4 inches shorter. So we're going to get the hinges on, and we'll see if it'll fit in that hole there. Well, he fits.
Good girl. Drop it. Drop.
Well, that's
Drop it. Drop it.
looks not so bad. It fit the hole. It's high enough I don't bang my head. So I know it's a little pain. Got to think about it. Got to do it a little bit at a time. Make sure it don't take too much. But got it. I just got to get a doorknob on there now and push her shut. She should be good. I'll be able to work on the inside. Maybe get some insulating done. So thanks guys for being patient. Yeah, they're going to try and build some steps here later, I guess. Got that door in. Fits pretty good. Hardly know I cut it off. But we're just going to got the strips insulated here. I'm going to put a doorknob on yet, but it fits pretty good up. A little insulating up there, and I'm happy. Yeah. See if this guy got enough decent stuff for some window framing. That's nice and straight. That one's got a little fur on it. Yeah, I think I can get 5, 6 nice ones put in. Making kindling with the sawmill. I'm going to just flip them over, and then we need 5 inches. I need 6 5-inch wide trims to finish that door on the porch and finish 2 of the windows. Yeah, we do 6 at a time. That way, if I cut 1 rung, 6 rungs will make a right, because that's the way they'll be. Pretty nice kindling. It looks pretty good. Let's go get them up. Yes, Glenn, drill does work good. I'm down One more to go. That door's done. It's done, except for the doorknob. Gonna put a couple of battens there, a few battens here. See, I already done some at the corner. So I'm gonna just try and get at her. Believe it or not, this guy is like, look, I try and put my finger beside him. See how big he is. He is like 3 inches long from one leg to the end of the other. Yeah, we'll see if we cut them right. Slowly. Oh, that's perfect. Do it. Oh, yes. Well, only got 2 more little pieces, and then I'll be able to work along the bottom, and this end will be done. So it's all good. well, I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. I put the moose hunt on hold for a few days here and try and get the rest of this stuff done. Well, it's coming along pretty good. I got the high stuff done now, so just got about 9-10 short ones, and then work on the other side, and then we'll just about have her wrapped up. So might have to show you a little bit along the way in next video. I've been just pushing and just leaving the camera in the house because I'm just trying to get done, get caught up here before the snow flies. So you guys enjoy a little bit of boarding Battens siding and following along. And we got some other good stuff along the way and some reviews, and I still promised some of you there that have asked how I done everything here to be 100% off grid and have water and sewer and all that stuff. The way I put it together, and I am going to make a video very soon, so bear with me. As soon as I get a little time, been trying to moose hunt, trying to do this kind of stuff, and just life is pretty busy. So we'll catch you guys a little bit later.